Hello everyone. So, you would like to know what is timeless as a format in Magic the Gathering Arena. It is basically a format where all the cards available digitally in Arena are playable. You basically can add any card. It is it has incredibly powerful combos. It has incredibly powerful decks. If I remember correctly, there are certain cards, very few, where they are limited to one card, but you can basically play anything. It is very fun, and it is something that you play usually because you want to try some crazy combo that is not available elsewhere. It's fun, it's nice, and yes, this is it. It's different from historic because it also has all cards. So even the banned one, the cards that are under a ban in historic or pioneer are available. So this is it. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.